In today's complex investment landscape, choosing the right investment strategy can make all the difference. Let's compare SLP Assure with traditional mutual funds and discover how SLP Assure stands out. SLP Assure offers a minimum lock-in period of just 12 months, with potential earnings of up to 10% per annum IRR. In contrast, mutual funds typically take 4 to 5 years to show cost-effective returns, making SLP Assure the right tool to have in your short-term growth plans. With SLP Assure, you have one-stop solution for investing. With our experts, manage your funds, saving your time and effort. With the stocks, day trading demands hours of market monitoring, leaving you little room to enjoy the freedom wali vibe. Customize your investment plan and watch your growth at a glance. With SLP Assure, you have complete control and transparency guaranteed. Unlike traditional investments, where third-party involvement can lead to opacity. Enjoy additional benefits like access to zero-cost loans for 7 days a month, 12 times a year, and free insurance coverage up to 2 lakhs. Benefits you won't find with stocks or mutual funds. Come, join us at kuber.club, where we are living the freedom wali vibe. All the benefits that come with investing in our SLP Assure plan. Download the kuber.club app. You will find the link in our description below. Press the bell icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.